Yogurt and honey hair mask for dandruff. Yogurt has antifungal properties that help combat dandruff, while honey moisturizes the scalp. Mix 1/2 cup of plain yogurt with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse with shampoo. This treatment helps reduce dandruff and soothes an itchy scalp. Avocado face mask for dry skin. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and vitamins that nourish dry skin. Mash half an avocado and mix it with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off for softer, more hydrated skin. Cucumber and aloe vera gel for sunburn relief. Introduction: aloe vera soothes sunburns, while cucumber cools and hydrates the skin. Technique: blend half a cucumber and mix it with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture to sunburned areas. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. This remedy provides instant relief from sunburn and helps heal the skin faster. Lemon and olive oil nail strengthener. Introduction: olive oil nourishes weak nails, while lemon juice strengthens them and improves shine. Technique: combine 1 tablespoon of olive oil with a few drops of lemon juice. Massage the mixture into your nails and cuticles. Leave it on overnight for best results. This treatment strengthens brittle nails, leaving them healthier and shinier. Potato slices for dark circles. Introduction: potatoes contain enzymes and vitamin C that help lighten dark circles and reduce puffiness. Technique: cut 2 thin slices of raw potato. Place the slices over your eyes and leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse the area with cool water. This remedy lightens dark circles and reduces eye puffiness for a refreshed look. Milk and honey foot soak for soft feet. Introduction: milk softens the skin, while honey locks in moisture for smoother feet. Technique: combine 1 cup of warm milk with 1/4 cup of honey in a basin of warm water. Soak your feet for 20 minutes. Exfoliate with a pumice stone and rinse off. This foot soak softens rough skin and leaves your feet feeling moisturized and smooth. Green tea, ice cubes for redness and inflammation. Introduction: green tea's anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. Technique: brew green tea and pour it into an ice cube tray. Freeze the green tea cubes. Rub the ice cubes over your face to reduce redness and soothe inflammation. This remedy helps calm irritated skin, minimize pores, and reduce facial redness. Baking soda and coconut oil toothpaste for whiter teeth. Introduction: baking soda gently removes surface stains, while coconut oil promotes oral health. Technique: mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Brush your teeth with the mixture once a week. Rinse thoroughly with water. This natural toothpaste helps whiten teeth without harsh chemicals. Oatmeal bath for soothing irritated skin. Introduction: oatmeal calms irritated, itchy skin and locks in moisture, especially for conditions like eczema. Technique: blend 1 cup of oatmeal into a fine powder. Add it to warm bath water and soak for 20 minutes. Pat dry to retain moisture. This soothing bath calms irritated skin and relieves itching. Beetroot lip balm for natural pink lips. Introduction: beetroot naturally tints lips, while coconut oil hydrates them for a soft pink glow. Technique: mix 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Store the mixture in a small container. Apply the balm to your lips daily. This natural lip balm gives your lips a soft pink tint